Hey gals, so what we're doing right now is we're about to microwave these beauty blenders and see does the trick work as seen on Twitter.
Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna find out.
Alexa.
This is them before.
Okay.
I think I'd have a heart attack. Stop. Okay, so
We're gonna fill up the cup with water and put soap in it.
Mm-hmm.
I love tutorials. Oh, I don't know how much I do. I'm really making this up.
Nikki tutorials. We're coming
Wait, I need
for
to
you.
like stir this.
Kind of looks like an egg yolk.
You know? Yolk.
What's wrong with that?
Yolk.
Yolk?
I said yolk.
It's definitely yolk. Whatever.
It's yolk. Anyway.
So we're
yeah.
we're starting with my old beauty blender because I don't really care if it gets like melted. So we're
Just
gonna,
in
like,
case it doesn't work. Just put it in.
I feel like I need
She's
to get water in it.
huge.
You gotta take the spoon out.
Oh, you're right.
Why is there a spoon in there?
She had to mix the soap. You couldn't use your
Put
finger.
the soap in first and then put the water.
Okay, we're past this.
We're done with that.
Alright.
Okay.
Everybody
Oh wow,
else,
your
okay,
microwave
Why did
doesn't
Alexa
here.
down Abby cup?
They got it for free at World Trade.
Okay,
World
just
Trade
close
Center.
the microwave.
World Market. Okay.
Wait,
What?
I'm calling the
That was a
police.
minute. What are you doing?
I'm going to police.
9911.
Why did it do that? Cancel. Stop.
You did it twice.
9.
Is that a weed?
I'm calling the police.
Is that a weed?
911. What's your emergency?
Okay. Anyway. Oh!
What?
Let's start for 9 minutes.
Okay, we're gonna try that again. Ready? Here we go. There he is.
Hello, mister.
He better be spotless.
Okay,
Where's the
2
makeup?
seconds. 1. Here's the big reveal, guys. I'm so excited.
Okay, I think you have to like squeeze it out or something. I don't really.
Wait, we should.
Yeah,
watch
wait,
the
wait,
video
does it
and
look better
see.
than it did?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Is it gonna be
It
hot?
looks the exact same.
Is she hot?
It's supposed to be hot.
Hold on, somebody find
It's
the video so
definitely
we can
hot.
see what they did.
Oh yeah, I think it's gonna get clean when I.
Okay, I already
squeeze it.
watched them all. I know how to do it. This
Oh
is
my!
what
Look
they
at
do.
look in the
I
cup.
want to watch the video.
See that stuff like.
Wait, I wanna see.
Here, I'll put the light on it.
What are the odds you drink that?
There's like stuff like floating around. It's like foundation.
Ew!
Oh, I know that. I know this.
What are the odds?
The
you drink
foundation
out of
just
it?
comes out of the.
I'm not drinking.
Okay, let's see it.
Soap,
Can you
water,
take
and
it out?
foundation.
What are the odds?
Ow.
It's hot.
You do
I
it.
wonder why.
Go run it under the cold water. Will that, is that acceptable?
You know, should I not be a weenie?
Here,
Don't be
I have a
a
spoon.
Suck it up. Just,
Oh. Ah!
oh my god.
Squeeze
it's
it
gonna,
against
It's
the-
gonna look so nice.
Squeeze
when you
against the
squeeze
side.
it.
Stop!
This is hurting me!
It's hot.
Wait, I wanna do it.
It's pink coming out.
Alex, have you ever watched it?
I've watched it like once in my life. It turned out really weird.
You might have to do it again. It works.
Yeah,
really
I think
well.
I need to do it again.
Look at my hands. They're all
My
Alex.
hand is
Ew,
all
there's so
right
much of
now.
stuff coming out.
Ew!
You clearly never watched a beauty blender.
This is my old one.
That's not an example.
like that's what happens when you watch them.
Okay,
Yeah, I
fine.
mean, I'm like, literally when I watch mine, this is normal. Pink
Yeah.
does come out, and I don't
Pink
know
comes
why.
out, foundation comes out.
Yeah, I've never
Should we do it
watched
again?
Yeah.
Do I need to get new
I'm
water?
New water.
Yeah, I'm just
I need new
confused
water.
on why it's not working.
It's gonna work. They
See the problem.
True.
Okay.
I don't see the problem.
Okay, so
One engine.
She's filming.
now we are doing it a second time because it did not work. So.
Well, it's kind of gonna work.
Oh, okay.
It didn't melt, so that's a plus.
My sister's friend did it and it turned into a puddle because she didn't put it in water. So.
Wait for 45 this time.
This is fake. She literally bought new ones.
What?
Hello. Ding dong. Looks the same.
It's hot still.
You were supposed to put it in the microwave for a minute.
I know. Well, I did a minute on the first one. I did 45 on this one.
The microwave does not clean your beauty blender. It simply kills the bacteria. You have to
Told
clean
you.
the beauty blender yourself, then wash it first. Then, if you wish, and
I don't know how
microwave
to
it in
clean
water to
beauty
kill the germs. Don't
Told
let
you.
it fool you.
I said
There's
this.
literally stuff coming out.
Yeah, but it's not.
Yeah, but this is
gonna
just
be,
like
spotless.
this is exactly what if you're cleaning a normal beauty blender. This is. What, oh god. Oh shoot.
Almost burned down my door.
That's literally where my sister's friend is.
One time at the Great Wolf Lodge, I told everyone to just click the popcorn button. They had to evacuate the microwave from our room because it burnt so bad.
Burnt what?
Popcorn.
Oh, why?
Because I. Okay, so now we're doing this one. Okay. I don't know why.
We should take before and after shots.
This is before. Hello.
Before.
Okay, do some background music. This is
Squeeze it.
I was already singing.
This is the other
not
one.
good though.
Noah Cyrus. Now I'm ready.
So,
On
the exact
personality.
same.
I need to squeeze it.
Rich. Personality.
So hot.
God, I need to stop coughing.
Weenie.
Ow.
It really hurts.
Why can't we
It looks like it's getting a little cleaner. I hate how the bottom's a different color. Like, what's this line?
It's because I only use the bottom.
Oh
Your hand was
God! I wasn't even like watching me squeeze it.
Look, it's cleaner like around the edge, around the middle.
Oh wow. Okay.
Ew.
So we have progress. Look at this now.
It's getting cleaner.
Not
Wait,
just
let
the
me
light.
focus
I promise.
on. Wow, this HD.
Squeezer.
HDD.
This better be so useful.
DD.
What?
What?
Oh my
You
God.
do it in my laboratory.
HDD.
It's so hot. There it goes.
XDD.
Wow. Okay, so
It like works.
this one kind of has,
Ew.
but like that also could just be, just in general when
I
you
feel like
put
this
your
made it
beauty
feel
blender in
different.
soap and water. That's
Yeah,
what happens.
that's what happened.
Just in
I
general.
literally told you this is not. This is just gonna sanitize it.
Whatever. I'm getting a really sanitized beauty blender.
Okay,
Fine.
okay. The more you squeeze it, okay. Look at this now.
Yeah.
We're getting it wider.
Should I go run into
Wow.
It's
Okay, so now they're literally just
Yeah.
cleaning it without the whole
It's getting
other
cleaner.
method.
Who wants to watch me?
And I think we've determined that putting it in the microwave is the same exact thing as just washing with your hands.
Hey. You ready to see this disgustingness?
Oh. Jaw drop. But like TBT to what this looked like, it was all brown. Yeah.
What are your thoughts about this method?
I think it's quite dumb.
Yeah, it didn't really do anything at all.
Which I said.
How am I gonna
wouldn't.
get the soap out of this?
Just kind of keep squeezing.
Okay.
Alex has never washed a beauty blender. Send
Literally
help.
never.
Literally send help.
My face needs it.
Now this just looks like some coffee. So
After
after Alex, but she faked it because she washed it. After Jillian scrubbed it, it's still not coming off.
idea what she's doing.
This one looks a little better just because the
surprised.
brown is in his nose bowl. This one looks like when you're laying in the sun and for some reason this part of your body is covered.
Kate, the last day of spring break.
Yeah.
What?
Now where's the milk, Alex?
I'm pouring this out.
Here she is. I guess I'm using almond milk. Hey Jill, will you film this? Where'd it go?
She just threw it away. If you guys could have seen her face, you'd be like,
Oh. Film me. I was about to do a cool design in the
in the thing. You
in
know
the
how they
thing,
do
like
the
a little coffee, and I was gonna give it to.
We don't have normal milk anymore because I can't drink milk.
Why not?
She's lactose sensitive.
lactose sensitive. I love that term.
So now we're drinking
What
almond
else
milk,
can
which
we
honestly
do?
isn't that good, but it's fine.
God, can you imagine those workers who have to squeeze the almonds every morning?
Should I take
Oh
some of
my
this?
god. Okay.
Okay, it's not coming out.
Can you not put it like in your mouth?
I got it.
Okay, but like literally in your
Well, I didn't taste it.
Didn't it used to be pink?
Dumbass.
No, not that one. It was light pink.
It was like pink. It was like ballet pink.
Now it's white.
Oh, I thought she thought it was this
I'm
one.
not
know,
that
like-
dumb.
Hey!
Well, that's
Don't put that much. I
questionable.
can't eat
I
that
won't.
much.
Eat that much.
What are we doing?
You gotta go back. How much is that much?
That's enough.
More?
Alright, and this is the end of the tutorial of how to clean a beauty blender.
Bye, guys.
If you don't do this, your beauty blender will be dirty. Do not! If you do this, I will be so mad.
Hey, I'm putting
What are you doing?
one in his hand,
Okay.
and now
You only put one in the hand.
2.
Look, now none.
None.
I don't know how that happened.
None.
Look, okay, I actually do have a magic trick though. Like, I was taught this when I was like, I think 3 years old.
care.
Okay, so which one should I use?
I want that one.
Okay, so it's literally going down your sleeve. I'm not blind.
It's like right there.
Look, it's
Do you have wrist disease, girl? Alright.
it's a again.
It disappeared and
I'm ending this video.
Please don't.
Bye, gals.
bye. Hey.